Alright guys, we're gonna be torquing that crank bolt to spec right there. I've been doing this trick so many times and always work. It always works. So we need to have that crank pulley stop spinning so we can torque that bolt right there. To do that, we're gonna do a quick build trick. So you can see this is the old build. Here's my new one right there. This is gonna be garbage after doing this job because it's gonna kink this edge right here, and who knows if that's gonna be a good build after. Probably not. So gonna quickly set you up here. All right, quickly set you guys up. Bend this belt shaped like an 8, put it on a pulley. Alright, there you go. That's how you set that up. I'm gonna have to take this slack off. Alright, so there we go. The slack on this side is a little tight now. I'm gonna... Alright guys, so before I torque this crank bolt right there, those are the new bolts, okay? Torque to yield, make sure you get a brand new one. Those are like 10 bucks, brand new. So everything is all set here now. We got that belt trick going on there. And then I'm using 15 mil socket. So this is gonna be 110 foot-pounds. Here we go. There you go. 110 foot-pounds right there. This trick never fails on me. And this is super awesome. Like check it out. There you go. This is why you change this belt after you do this trick, because they bugger up. This is side right here. For some people it's okay, but for me it's time to change a new one. And that's my new one right there.